Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add multiple clips or videos to your CapCut project. Okay, so all you have to do is press a new project, and now we get to add as many videos or photos as we'd like. Here's the video section, and then we can go to photos. We have the photo category, and let's say I want to add this video, or rather, let's press it on the right here, press this one as well, and then let's press this one as well, right? So we're not pressing the actual video itself, we're pressing the little circle on the top right of each video. And then we can press add on the bottom right, and now we've done that. But let's say you're working on a project and you want to add, that's me eating cabbage. Let's say we want to add more. You see that plus icon right to the right here? We press that, and then we can add more to the timeline. And that's how you add multiple clips to CapCut. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.